Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you this very easy and simple makeup look using only just few products. This is kind of an everyday makeup look in which I use only minimal products, and I like to do this kind of makeup whenever I have to step out from the house, like I have to go to the market or to meet someone or to go to some chota mota function. So I like to do this kind of makeup, and it's a very simple and easy makeup which you will able to do in just 10 to 15 minutes. It will not take longer than that, and whenever I'm in hurry then I just do this makeup in just 5 minutes, like straight 5 minutes. So yeah, it's a very simple and a basic makeup with just few products. So now without further ado, let's see how to achieve this makeup look. So before applying any makeup, I like to moisturize my skin really well because I have a dry skin. And for the moisturizer, I'm using this BeYu dry skin gel. I'm recently using this product a lot. It's really good for the people who have really dry skin, and I am one of them. So just take a little bit of this product and just gently massage it onto your skin. This is a really good face moisturizer for the people who have really dry skin. It's basically BeYu oil in a gel form. So I really like to use it on a daily basis. Just gently apply it all over your skin, and I also like to moisturize my lips with it. Now after moisturizing the skin, it's time to apply the base makeup. And for the base makeup, I don't use foundation on a daily basis. I just feel that they are too heavy for daily use, and that is why I use this BB cream from Pond's. This BB cream is one of my favorites. I use it every day, like whenever I'm stepping out of the house. So I'm just taking a little bit of this on the back of my hand. Just 1 or 2 pumps would be enough. So I'm just taking 2 pumps of this product, and I'm going to apply it with the help of this brush. I got this brush from M.A.C. It's a really good brush to apply the foundation or the BB creams, just basically for the base makeup. So this BB cream is not full coverage, but it gives a bit of coverage and a really nice glow and a shiny looking skin. So I really love this BB cream. It's one of my favorites. So now I'm taking 1 more pump of this product, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes just to give a little bit more coverage under the eyes. Now after applying the BB cream, let's move on to the second step, which is to set this BB cream or the base makeup. And for that I'm using this Studio Fix compact powder from M.A.C. And if you don't have this product, you can use any other compact powder or the loose powder. So I'm in the shade NC35.
If you wanna know.
And I'm not going to use any concealer for this look because I don't use it on every day. I just use a little bit more of BB cream under my eyes just to give more coverage. And after setting this makeup, I'm going to apply the blush. And for the blush, I'm using this BeYu Strobe and Define palette. This palette is really good and I use it a lot. It has blush, contour shade. Okay, sorry. This palette is really good. It has a blush, a contour shade, strobe matte, like it's basically a compact powder, and a highlighting powder. So it's a 4-in-1 palette, but I only use the blush from this palette because the blush of this palette is really good. I love it a lot and I love applying blush. So I just take a lot of this and apply it right on apple of my cheeks. And I also like to apply a little bit of the blush on my nose because I just love it that way.
And after applying a lot of blush, I just love blush. I just love how this particular blush looks on me. I just love it. And I don't know how many times I've said love, but I really like it.
And I do not do the contouring and bronzing on a daily basis. I just don't like it that way. I just like to be subtle, blushy, and that's it. But if you want to go with bronzing and contouring, you can obviously do whatever you want to do. And after the blush, I just dip my highlighting brush into this Strobe Pearl, which is a highlighting shade, but it's a little bit more subtle highlighter. It's not a crazy highlight, so I just use it on a daily basis. But I'll not use this highlighting shade if I'm going to some party or I really want my highlighter to pop, because this is not one of those highlighter. So I just took a little bit of that and I'm going to apply it on my highlighting points as well as on my T-zone, like bridge of the nose, center of the forehead, cheekbones, and Cupid's bow. So now after applying the highlighter, this makeup is almost done. Now I just have to do the eyes and the lipstick, and that's it. So now firstly, let's move on to the brows. And for the brows, I have this product which is my cult favorite. I use it on a daily basis. I just love it. My mom love it, and we just love this product. It's so handy, so convenient. It just do its job perfectly. So this is the Maybelline Duo Shaper, and I basically use the powder shade of this eyebrow pencil. So what I do is just take the powder side and then just apply it on your brows. And that's it. You can see the difference this powder makes, and I think that I should bring you guys a little closer. So wait, I think this is better. So yeah, now you can see the eyes much more clear. So you can see the difference, and it's just so quick and so easy. When I'm in hurry, I always grab this product. So just apply this powder on your brows, fill the empty spaces, and that's it. So just to give it a more clear and neat look, I like to brush the eyebrows just to remove all the excess powder from the brows. And yeah, that's it. And now for the eyes, I don't do much for the eyes on a daily basis, but sometimes when I have a little bit of time, I grab this palette. This is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. This is one of my favorites palette, and so what I usually do is I just take this shade, this orange rustic shade from this palette on a fluffy brush, and I just apply it all over my eyelid area. and that's it. I don't do much for the eyeshadow because on a daily basis I don't feel like there's any need to apply a lot of eyeshadows, so I just skip the eyeshadow. But sometimes, as I said, if I have time, I just apply this orange rustic color. And I'm going to apply the liner, and I'm using this Lakme Insta liner, and I'm just applying a winged eyeliner. And if you want to know tips and tricks to apply the eyeliner easy way, then you can watch the video I'm linking down in the description box, as well as you can click on the I button and you'll be able to know few easy tips and tricks to apply the eyeliner perfectly. Now for the lower lash line, I'm using this very tiny brush, and I'm using this shade and this shade for my lower lash line.
Okay, very good, this happened, and it happens to me especially when I'm running late and I hate it. So I'm just going to remove it like this. That's it.
So the eyes are almost done. You just need to apply the mascara, and the mascara which I'm using today is the KBYE Lash Illusion Mascara Duo. So mascara and the blush are the two things which I absolutely love, and I don't like to step out of the house without them. I just love applying a nice and thick coat of mascara on my lashes. So now after applying the mascara, the makeup is almost done. You just need to apply the lipstick, and you can apply any shade of the lipstick which you like. But on the daily basis, I like to go with the nudes more. So for today, I'm using this KBYE and this Physician Formula lipstick. So now I'm going to apply both these lipsticks, like the mix of both the shades. So firstly, I'm applying the KBYE lipstick. This is the Kiss Proof Lip Stain in the shade 007 Hot Latte. And I absolutely love this range from KBYE. And now on top of this KBYE lipstick, I'm going to apply this Physicians Formula the Healthy Lip Lipstick. And I'm just going to apply this lipstick on the center of my lips. And I don't remember the shade of this lipstick, but I will list all the product details in the description box, so you can check everything out from there. So now after applying the lipstick, your makeup is done. I just normally do this much on a daily basis, like whenever I have to step out of the house or have to go to the market or the chota mota function, I just apply this kind of makeup. So yeah, that is it for this makeup look, and yeah, this is how it looks. It's really pretty blushy, and I don't like to do much with the eyes, but if you want to do a lot with the eyes on a daily basis, you can just go and glam the eyes, but I just like to keep it subtle with a nude lip. So yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So yeah, that's it for today. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.